In this video, I will show you how to fix your TP-Link router having no internet access. So there are different steps you can take. The first one is to check your physical connections. So make sure the Ethernet cable from the modem is plugged into the WAN or internet port on the TP-Link router. Also check that all cables are firmly connected and undamaged, and restart both the modem and router. So to do this, you can just power off both devices, wait for 30 seconds, then turn on the modem first and wait for 1 to 2 minutes, and then turn on the router. Now, in case that did not work for you, step 2 is to verify internet from the modem. So you can plug your computer directly into the modem with an Ethernet cable. And if you still have no internet, the issue is with your ISP or modem, not the router. So if this is the case, contact your internet service provider. The third step you can take is to check the router settings via a web interface. So you can connect your device to the TP-Link router and then open a browser and just visit the link you see right there or one of the other ones, and then log in. So your default username and password is usually admin unless you have changed it, and then check the internet/WAN status. So is the IP address blank or 0.0.0.0? If yes, the router is not receiving internet from the modem. Step 4 is to check the WAN connection type. Under Network, go to WAN Settings and check your connection type. So Dynamic IP is what most ISPs use. They have PPPoE, and if your ISP gave you a username and password. Static IP is if your ISP gave you an IP address manually. Now if you're unsure, set it to Dynamic IP, click Save, and then click Renew. Step 5 is optional to clone your MAC address, so some ISPs bind your internet service to the original device MAC address. So on the router admin panel, go to Network, Internet, MAC clone, click Clone MAC address from your PC, and then click Save and reboot the router. Step 6 is to update the router firmware. So go to the System Tools and then Firmware Upgrade, and check TP-Link's official website for the latest firmware for your model. Step 7 is to factory reset the router as a last resort, so hold the reset button on the back of the router for 10 seconds until the router lights flash, and then reconfigure your router from scratch using the Quick Setup Wizard. Now if all of that did not work for you, then you can contact TP-Link support, you can replace the modem or router, and you can double check the ISP settings or service outage. So now you know how to fix your TP-Link router not having internet access. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.